OnePlus just made it official that they are launching a high-end flagship with 8 Plus Gen 1 powerful SoC. OnePlus has said they'll use the first batch of 8 Plus Gen 1, and the device aka OnePlus Channel tries coming in third quarter this year. So my guess is in July we'll see some teasers, and then in August we may see the official launch of this flagship device. The reason I'm saying August is cause Apple is launching the iPhone 14 series in September, and we all know OnePlus, Xiaomi, and basically all OEMs highlight will get shadowed if they launch their device around same time. Here, not to mention OnePlus had to cancel the 60 launch event to avoid a clash with iPhone 10 or launch, so they won't do same mistake twice. But yeah, again, all speculations, it is officially coming Q3 this year. Now we all know a Gen 1 Plus is powerful and power efficient. This graph from Evan Blast shows that the new silicon is 35% power efficient in comparison to a Gen 1 we have in the OnePlus 10 Pro. So with the 5000 mAh battery, the OnePlus Channel for me finally gave it a fight to the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, cause 10 Pro in 9 plus hours in my battery test. So without any doubt, with this 8 Plus Gen 1 and Oxygen OS 13, the OnePlus 10 Ultra will be powerful and power efficient. You guys can see the benchmark of 8 Gen 1 Plus in this image called CDF2D, and the initial score is 4000 plus in multi-core performance. That is something on par with Apple A15 silicon. So this TSMC made chipset and OnePlus hardware will be an awesome combination. OnePlus will launch not one but two 8 Gen 1 Plus flagship, the OnePlus 10 and OnePlus 10 Ultra. So you guys will have an option to pick from depending on your budget and usage. The Oxygen OS 13 is coming in July-August, cause 13 is coming around same time, and I am saying that right now both these skins will have, if not same, but similar aesthetics. Yes, colorway 13 is coming with Material U icons. We have solder confirmation for same. It is coming with 2-column layout for large screen devices, and yeah, finally you can see it is gonna look great. Final news coming in: Max's OnePlus Fold and Flip devices are coming next year, so get ready guys, OnePlus is all set to break the barriers once again. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and peace out.